Hello everyone. The JL's floor mats are looking a little dank, so we're going to need to protect them with something. Luckily, my JL came with these Mopar floor mats. They're direct copies of what looks like a WeatherTech mat, and that's good enough. Make sure these little inserts are installed correctly or water will leak onto the carpet. Of course, it's Mopar, so the fit is fantastic, and they have a high wall on it, so if you do get some type of water or some snow in it, it's not just going to spill over the side. There are pins that are on the carpet that the mat will align with. Snap that in and you're good to go. The rear floor mats for the Unlimited JL join together in the center. It's a two-piece mat. Same as the front, the rears install on the push pins. You have to weave these mats together to join them in the center. The mats are nice and thick and they're extremely well designed. Stay tuned everyone, we are just getting into this Wrangler. There's so much content that I have. I'm just trying to film everything now. We're going to get it out to you as soon as possible. So subscribe, hit that like button. We will see you soon guys. Take care.